No, they're not. That's ridiculous. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and before I get started, I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who watched my previous wand videos. I have almost 10,000 views on those videos and 60 new subscribers since then. So thank you to everyone who watched the videos, who commented on the videos, and to those people who subscribed to my channel. Now, as to the title of the video, no, Universal Studios is not getting rid of all of their wands. They are, however, getting rid of their non-interactive wands. In my last video, I talked about how you can go to Universal Studios and get an interactive wand, one that you can use around the park, or get a non-interactive one that looks pretty nice. Universal is continuing to phase out the non-interactive ones. In my last video, I talked about a promotion that they were running where if you spent $250 or more in a single purchase, you would get a free wand. That was the method that they were using to get rid of these old non-interactive wands. Making videos like this take multiple trips to the park so that I can make sure I get all the information and all the footage that I need. During my first trip, they still had the promotion where you can get a free wand with a $250 purchase. But by the time I'm filming this commentary, that promotion is completely gone. And the reason is, they ran out of those wands. When I talked to a team member, they said the reason they were running this promotion was to get rid of character wands as they introduced interactive versions of the same wands. And then the promotion continues until they run out of that character's wand and only the interactive version is left for purchase. So when I went, they had 4 free wands available for the promotion. They had Ginny, Sirius, Newt Scamander, and a Death Eater wand. Now, since those wands are all gone, the promotion's done. As of filming, you can still get non-interactive wands at Universal Studios, but only in select locations. Ollivanders, Wands by Gregorovich, and the Wand Stand in Hogsmeade only carries interactive wands now, and the light up one. But you can still get the non-interactive versions of Harry, Hermione, Ron, Dumbledore, and Voldemort's wand at the Universal Studios store in City Walk, or in the park, or at the Islands of Adventure trading post. You can also get a non-interactive version of Voldemort or a Death Eater's wand at Borgin & Burke's in Knockturn Alley. But that's just the state of things as I'm recording this right now, because they're still trying to get rid of these non-interactive wands, and once they're gone, once they're out of stock, they're gone forever. They're not coming back. Personally, I think this is a good thing. If you're going to Universal Studios in order to purchase a non-interactive wand, I would suggest getting in your car, driving 5 minutes down the road to Barnes & Noble, and getting the exact same wand of the exact same quality for about $30. And if there is a specific character wand you were hoping to get, don't worry. As they were pulling the non-interactive wands off the shelf, they were replacing them with interactive versions of all the same wands. So the wand selection is the same as it was last time I made a video, but now it's only interactive wands. So the wand selection is the same as it was in my last video, but now they're all interactive. Yes, that includes Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them 1 and 2. But there is one exception. During my first visit to make this video, they still had that Death Eater wand that you can get with the promotion. This is the only wand that they discontinued that they didn't make an interactive version of. I talked about this wand in my wand tour video. And in the wand collection, it's listed as Alecto Caro's wand. But at Universal, it's just a Death Eater. Because Universal doesn't consider this a character-specific wand, they didn't make an interactive version. But you can still get the same wand design in the Ollivanders Elder wand. Of course, you won't get this great black and white coloring, it'll just be a generic wood grain. They have the same skull design on the Ollivanders Rowan wand. This year, Universal Studios has also introduced these. Now, team members are not allowed to tell you what these are, but I'm sure you can guess. They're wand holsters. Local artist Bienthro has been making these wand holsters and a smaller version and started selling them at the Lost Continent. So the same store that you can go to get your family crest or family tree now has these leather holsters from $17 to $35 each, so pretty much the same price as you'd pay online for one of these. In my last video, I talked about how important it is to have something that can carry your wand. And these are extremely well made, genuine leather wand holsters. And considering I bought them inside of a theme park, They're extremely well priced too. I'll put the artist's website in the description of the video so that you can go check him out. If you watched my wand tour video, you'll know how difficult it was for me to get the 2020 collector's wand. It was sold out almost everywhere I went, and I almost found it by accident. So when they announced that the 2021 wand will also be released online, I bought it as soon as it came out. And here it is. Packing slip. Look at this. Wizarding World of Harry Potter Collector's Edition 2021. Has the same thing on the back, along with copyright and safety information in this beautiful green box. Of course, it comes with the map, and look at this. Wow. So it's got these, not gold leaf, but gold leaves on it. And unlike the last 2 years, this is a brown wood grain wand. Feels good in the hand, good to hold. It feels a little bit more plasticky than the other interactive wands and especially the other collector's edition ones, but it really is a beautiful piece. So I ordered the 2021 one online because I didn't know if I'd be able to get it in the parks. So when I actually went to Universal City Walk, imagine my surprise when I saw the 2021 and the 2020 wand still on the shelves. That's right, as of uploading this video, both of these wands are available for $70 at Universal Studios. And you can get them at any store that sells wands. Someone commented on my last video saying that there is a hidden secret on these maps if you use a blacklight. And I happen to have a blacklight right here, so let's see what we find. All right, I've got my map of Diagon Alley and I've got my blacklight right here. So let's see if anything pops up. Nothing so far. Oh, it looks like there's something coming up in Nocturne Alley. Let's hit the lights and see if we can see anything else. So here in Nocturne Alley, you can see that the incantations and the wand movements are highlighted under the blacklight. You can also see on the map little drawings. There's a shrunken head here, what appears to be a candle here. This looks like a spider, and what appears to be a house elf here, and a skeleton up here. This one here looks like it's a house elf, and the spell that you cast here makes a house elf move. The one next to it is a skeleton, and that's the one where you move your whole body and watch the skeleton move as well. Looks like there's a candle here, and the spell here is lighting a candle, and a shrunken head right here because your spell makes the shrunken head stop singing. Don't be discouraged if you don't have a blacklight at home or one that you can take with you. At some of the spell locations in Nocturne Alley, there are blacklights shining down from the ceiling that you can use to illuminate your map. And while you can't see it on camera, you can definitely see it in person. One last update for the parks, not wand related. This year, Universal Studios started offering customized t-shirts. You can get your name on the back of Quidditch t-shirts like this one, or you can get your robes, ties, and scarves embroidered, or your notebooks and luggage tags embossed. This can be done at the Universal Legacy store in City Walk or at Madame Malkin's in Diagon Alley. I made my last video on my last day in Orlando before moving, and I'm making this video on my last day in Orlando as well. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope this news was helpful for you and all your wizarding adventures at Universal Studios. I'll be back in November if there are any updates to make another video. So hit that subscribe button so that you're always up to date on wand news.